But today we will do something different because for today's topic we will focus on what student thinks about learning outside the classroom. And here to say her insight is Fatimatul Usna, or we can call her Iim. Hi Iim.
Hi Dinda, and hi to everyone listening. I'm really excited about this topic because I'm not everyday student get to share their side of the story. Saya merasa terharu. Saya juga.
Great. Let's start with something simple. What is like being a student in digital age? Do you think technology is important or is it makes learning harder?
Honestly, it's a bit of both. Teknologi itu luar biasa karena kita bisa mencari informasi secara instan. At the same time, teknologi kadang buat kita nggak fokus karena kita buka HP bukan searching pelajaran tapi malah scrolling TikTok atau video lain.
That's so relatable. So, how do you deal with those distractions? Do you have any tips for stay focused?
I'm still working on that to be honest. Tapi kamu bisa coba atur waktu dengan 25 menit belajar dan 5 menit buat scroll TikTok buat refreshing pikiran kamu.
Try it at home, guys. Great tips, thank you, Ian. And so, let's talk about digital safety. How do we do digital safety? As a student, Ian, how do you stay safe online, especially with all those apps and platform you use?
Digital safety is super important untuk aku, memastikan akunku tetap privasi dan aku tidak sembarangan menerima permintaan pertemanan dari orang yang aku nggak kenal. Dan aku juga nggak sembarangan ngeklik link-link aneh dan jika aku ingin memposting sesuatu, aku memikirnya 2 kali.
That's really smart, Ian. But do you think school do enough to teach students about digital safety?
Some school tuh, di sekolah aku itu diterangin langsung sama gurunya. Jadi nggak ada sosialisasi dari luar dan aku juga mencari informasi dari internet.
Okay, I see. So let's move on to e-learning. What's your experience with online classes and assignment? Do you know Corona, right? When Corona is coming, we do all of people is do online classes with Zoom meetings or Google Meet. So what do you experience with that online classes?
Ketika corona menyebar itu kan hampir semua sekolah mengadakan online class. Aku suka karena fleksibel, tapi aku jadi susah buat memahami materi dan aku juga lebih gak akrab sama mereka.
So what about group project?
Nah, itu lebih sulit lagi. Kalau group project kan kita harus bareng-bareng, tapi itu nggak bisa, jadi ya sulit.
Right. Do you have any suggestions for making e-learning look be better?
I love when guruku itu buat game.
Like games online in Google Meet. Yes. That's a great advice. Thank you. Now let's talk about homework. Homeworks. Do you think homework is still important or is it not?
I think PR itu sulit karena sejujurnya itu tidak membantu aku buat lebih giat belajar. Menurutku, guru harus membuat sesuatu yang lebih menarik.
So true. So what do you think about the amount of homework students get these days? Is it too much?
Sometimes yes, karena tugas yang terlalu banyak, seharusnya sekolah harus berdiskusi agar tugas sekolah tidak terlalu membebankan siswa.
I see. Okay. So one last question about homeworks. What motivates you to actually to do it? Some students struggle with don't see the point.
Itu membantu ketika aku paham kenapa homework itu penting. Jika aku tahu, itu bisa membantu aku saat ujian nanti atau memahami materi lebih baik. I'm more likely to do it.
Great insight. Before we wrap up, Do you have any advice for your fellow students who might be struggling with online learning, distractions, or homework?
Be kind to yourself. It's okay to struggle. It doesn't mean you're failing. Try to find what works for you.
Wise word, Im. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your perspective. It's refreshing to hear that learning is like from a student point of view. To all our listeners, thanks for tuning into Hera Podcast today. We hope these episodes gave you some useful insight. To everyone out there, stay focused and keep learning. See you next time. Bye bye. For today's topics, we will focus on what student life is like.
Bisa-bisanya.
Hi Im.
Hey Buddha, and hey to everyone learning. Learning. Atur waktu dengan 25. Mbak, astagfirullahaladzim. Jika corona datang. Malah gue.
Ayo closing Ji, closing. Bisa. Oke. Kita ada baik. Wise word Im. Thank you so much.
Kan? 2 3 kali ya, dan jangan diikat ya guys.